Big goal is not to introduce air, flush out all the old brake fluid, and a power bleeder like this is really convenient because you can do it with one person. Next thing we want to do is we want to attach our power bleeder. So you just screw this onto the top of the reservoir nice and tightly so it's got a good seal. And then you're going to pour clean brake fluid. Now, make sure that you check for your car what the correct brake fluid is. Make sure to use fresh, unopened brake fluid, because brake fluid sitting in a container will pick up moisture after a while. And I take it and very carefully pour into my reservoir, and it's nice and clean. So, and it's a very bright gold color of what I got. It can be really convenient to change color when you change your brake fluid, because that way you actually know when you're bleeding at the other end. In this case, my brake fluid is in the C46 is a really dark brown, and the new brake fluid is bright gold. So I'm not too worried about being able to tell when I hit new fluid at the other end. So I'm going to pour this in really carefully, and then we take the top, we screw the top into your power bleeder. Now you've got a really handy gauge right here on the front. Usually you go about 15 pounds. So pump up your tank to 15. Now as we go through the bleeding process, as we check all this and we start to bleed at the other end, periodically, I usually come back after every tire. I come back and I check and make sure I'm still at 15 pounds. I have, I'm not out of fluid or low, anything like that, or making a problem at the other end. Big goal is not to introduce air, flush out all the old brake fluid, and a power bleeder like this is really convenient because you can do it with one person. The other thing is that you can also avoid using the pedal method of bleeding your brakes, where somebody's pumping your pedal. If you've got a lot of really bad fluid and you've got some debris that might have built up in your master cylinder, you can potentially start to flush that out into your brake lines and cause even more problems. Power bleeder is definitely the way to go.